4 minutes left.
All right, got one down. 4 to go, guys. Third pace to beat 12-5-10. Charlie laid that down that first heat. On a 12-5-10, Anthony Parisi on that time right now. Watch it in the middle, guys. Watch it in the middle. Clear. 3:30 left to go in this one. CJ Jensen now moving to the point. CJ driving the 6 truck. Anthony Valdez, Kory Ferguson, Anthony Parisi.
Test 1, 2, check 1, 2, test 1, 2. Test 1, 2, check.
2 minutes
I
left.
think that's alright. Got 2 down, 3 to go, guys. 2 down, 3 to go.
Troy, your leader, followed by Anthony. Got halfway there, guys. Troy, Anthony, CJ. Theo Ravenbank, Kory, Jacob, Anthony, Rich, and Joe is the order. All on 12 lap run. This is E2, E3 is up next. Before we start thinking about it, getting the tech.
Left.
We have 3 down, 2 to go, 3 down, 2 to go here in heat number 2. First round of qualifying for the 28th running of Pro Line Cactus Classic. Trying to 12 lap 5:13. Check the tick off the Charlie time. Still a solid run. Same with Anthony and CJ. Theo now to the 3 spot. 265 is the order. 265. Your leader in green and black will be climbing up the hill. On the full line. Down the straightaway. CJ Jensen is in second. Third spot, Theo. Good qualifier, guys. Great to see. It's our stock truck division. 1 minute left. 1 minute, 1 to go. 1 to go. Forty seconds to go, guys. 4 to go. Heat number 3 is up next. 4 to back. Anthony, CJ, and Troy all on 12 back runs. Everybody on the 12. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Still got about a lap or so to go. Everybody's still running. Keep it up, guys. Theo and CJ work together. Good job so far. Keep it up. Perfect, Theo. Thank you. Good smart driving, guys.